Welcome back to Trading with CJ. Today we're talking about IZEA Worldwide. Now we spoke about this one a few different times, but the good news keeps on coming and the stock keeps on going. This stock has had an absolutely incredible last few days. In the last 5 days alone, we are up from 5 days over 100%. And if we look at the chart from yesterday, it went up about 48%. Absolutely crazy gains. This stock is absolutely flying. Well, we've spoke about this company a few different times. The first time was on the 7th of January. And at that moment in time, this stock was trading for $1.72. And I bought at that price as well. $1.72. So from that moment in time, from the first video, we're up over 300% at the time of recording. Of course, things can happen. This could come down. But this is a company I'm holding on to for the long term. I see massive potential. I dropped this one in the Discord as well when I was buying as well. So if you want to join our Discord, it's completely free. First link in the description below. We're going to talk about why IZEA is rocketing up, my price predictions for them, and yeah, just generally all the good news coming out, why this company has massive potential going forward. If you find this useful, interesting, or you just want to help me out, please go ahead and smash the like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. That really is appreciated. Before we get into all the news around this company, this is not a deep dive stock analysis. I have done that before in a few different videos. Links to those are in the description. But IZEA Worldwide, their technology brings the marketers and creators together, enabling transactions to be completed at a scale through management of custom content, workflow, creator search and targeting. Basically, what they are doing is connecting influencers, social media influencers, with brands and companies. So kind of like Fiverr, like I said before, for freelancers, but this is for influencers. So you see people going online, maybe on YouTube, Instagram, etc., promoting a product. Companies will pay that influencer money to promote the product, obviously hoping that people will buy it and, it will gain attraction. This is getting out the middleman, basically. IZEA is cutting out the middleman, and you can go straight for IZEA, and there's a whole app of all the influencers that they've just created in November, which is another reason we're seeing this share price rocket. That's what this is doing. It is digital marketing, digital advertising, which we know is obviously the future, the way everything is going. People are using social media these days to advertise their companies because it is quick, easy, and generally has a much greater attraction. So that's what this company does. Why is it suddenly rocketing as of just yesterday? Well, we had this come out from the Motley Fool. A wacky day of the market was surging Monday as the company announced at the market offering worth of $35 million. $35 million marketing offering. Now, IZEA haven't actually, from what I can see, haven't actually released something on this at the moment, but they may well do by the time you see this. But 35 million share offering, we've seen a lot of companies doing that. What this means is they're giving out the shares at either market price or a cheaper price and raising money, getting money on their balance sheet. They don't necessarily need to raise money, IZEA, because they are doing very well. We're going to go into that in a minute in terms of, all the things in the pipeline. Their money is going to be going good, and their next financial results, in my opinion, are going to be absolutely amazing. So they don't necessarily need this, but obviously cash on your balance sheet is always a great thing. And if they know that this price is going to rocket up over the coming months, why not do it now at a cheaper price? So that's one of the reasons here we're seeing massive gains on this stock. Now, aside from this, IZEA is great at constantly bringing out news, okay? Constantly bringing out all this good news. This is what really gained everybody's attention back in December. IZEA Managed Services bookings topped 40% in Q4 to hit record. That is absolutely amazing. 40%. And then the news kept on flowing. Company continued strong momentum in managed service bookings. This was come out on January the 5th. When compared against the total managed service bookings for January 2020, the combined value of the two new contracts they got 2 contracts from Fortune 10 companies, upon the surge of managed service bookings that IZEA saw in Q4, which we just mentioned, the bookings now increased to 48% in Q4 of 2020 compared to Q4 in 2019. That is absolutely huge. And the CEO here said, we are pleased to start 2021 with a bang. And I'm sure they are, because that was absolutely huge. The news kept on coming. On January the 12th, IZEA awarded 7-figure influencer marketing contract by Fortune 100 retailer. An absolutely huge contract for a company which now has a market cap of 339 million. But at that moment in time, it would have been considerably less, which is why we've seen this company just keep shooting up and up and up. And this 7-figure contract was a retailer who is a repeat customer and has expanded its influencer marketing spend with IZEA. We spoke about companies, they're going to be spending more and more on digital marketing because it is the way to go, social media. So they've expanded their spend, therefore they've reused IZEA. Clearly had a good relationship with them in the first place, otherwise you wouldn't be reusing them. The contract includes managed services and licensing of IZEA's brand graph software. The award of the new contract follows the announcement of the 2 we just spoke about, and comes just 1 week after the 48% increase in Q4. Things are going from strength to strength. People are starting to take notice of this company. But saying that, nobody's still talking about this, okay? We've not seen many people talk about this. And this is no longer a penny stock. We just passed the $7 mark yesterday. It may drop tomorrow, but yesterday we hit $7. A penny stock is technically $5 and below. So we're past that now. And when I spoke about this just over about 2 weeks ago, it was only at $1.72. We're seeing absolutely crazy gains. And I really still think there's room to grow here. So on top of all of these other positives, I'm just going to run you through these, okay? I'm not going to go into detail because it is a lot. But they are doing more and more. They're constantly expanding their marketing company, okay? The leading influencer marketing company in Australia joins the Global Alliance. We spoke about this one already in the previous video. Huzu. Huzu is a global presence to Australia and New Zealand. So by welcoming Huzu, an influencer marketing company, to their alliance. So they've now expanded out into Australia and New Zealand. Now, a couple of days after that, assessing the African continent is now possible with leading firm. Expanding the Global Alliance footprint to Africa with the addition of Have You Heard, an influencer marketing company. So they've got Huzu, now Have You Heard. And Africa is largely an untapped market with a population of over 780 million. That is absolutely huge right there. And you can see Have You Heard's approach has seen them acknowledged as one of the 10 most innovative companies in Africa, which means this company is innovating, therefore most likely growing, okay? It's becoming more and more popular. More people over there are probably hearing about this company. And for them to now have a partnership with IZEA, this is huge. New Zealand, Australia, Africa, all in the matter of about a week. And then another announcement just a couple of days ago. Influencer Marketing joins Southeast Asia Global Alliance. They're welcoming in Southeast premier influencer marketing company Gush Cloud to the Global Alliance. Gush Cloud is an international global digital talent, media and entertainment group. The company currently holds over a network of more than 25,000 influencers, content creators, digital talents and celebrities with a total reach of 22 billion followers across the globe. I mean, this is absolutely insane. Can things just, get any better for this company at the moment? They're going strength to strength. So they're smashing their earnings. They're getting partners in Australia, partners in New Zealand, partners in Africa. Well, looking to expand into Africa. And now they're joining the Global Alliance in Southeast Asia, on top of getting 48% in the Q4 and raising this potential money in the share offering. No wonder this stock is absolutely soaring. We called this one a couple of weeks ago, but I do think, this has so much room to grow. When those next financials come out, we are definitely going to be, they're going to be good. They're going to be good financials, okay, because they already are. They're already smashing previous quarters. They're going to be good financials. So it's just a matter of now, is this getting priced in already? Which it does look like it's starting to get priced into this. Or is people not really noticed about this company? Because, if you look around, not many people are talking about IZEA. The only reason they are now is because of this massive green day. But as of literally yesterday, probably people haven't heard of this company. So it's starting to gain attraction, which means it's starting to gain room to potentially grow. What is my stance on this company? Well, as I said, I'm a shareholder, have a very good average. I started buying at 170 and slowly averaged up a little bit, but it's still extremely low. Personally, will I be buying more? At the moment, I don't have plans to, but it doesn't necessarily mean I don't think this is a good buy. Anything under $5 for IZEA, I think was an absolute steal, okay? So the fact that we have shot up to $7 in such a short period of time, that is always a room for concern because, just as quick as these go up, they can come down. I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own research before investing into the stock market. But then again, this company, for my opinion, when we see those next financials come on the end of the year, this will be easily over $10. That's my prediction for this company. So there is room there for growth. Definitely room there for growth. So let me know your thoughts on IZEA. Have you even heard of this company? Are you now starting to take notice with these huge gains? We may well see a pullback. That kind of tends to be what happens when you see such a crazy run up like a 48% day. We may well see a pullback, but it's still a buying opportunity for me at these prices because considering all the good things coming out, like I say, they are very good at updating their website, very good at putting out press releases, and very good at obviously expanding and getting more and more customers. So things are looking really good for this company. That's my thoughts. If you've enjoyed this video, please go ahead and smash a like, subscribe to my channel as well. It really is appreciated. Thanks for watching, and I will do another update very soon. So stay tuned. Until next time.